Hey subscribers and YouTubers, hey, what's under the cover? Well, that's my 1942 Harley Davidson. It's a Model U. It's been a long winter. It's time to get it out and get it running again. So we need to check the oil, put the battery in it, get some air in the tires, and see if she starts up. Alright, let's take a look here and see if we can unravel this, see what we see. There is a previous video I have on the history of this bike. Imported it from South Africa. Yeah, crazy idea. Here, let me get over to this side. Unraveled. There we are. Here it is. 1942 model US, 74 cubic inch. So this is the big twin model. So let's get to work and get that battery in and check the oil and go from there. Okay, let's see if we can get it fired up. Okay, there's a few things I wanted to point out to you that are unique to the UDF. First of all, it has a front stand to service the front wheel, which is very unique. Also, as we go back here, you'll notice the muffler has a WLA tip on it, but the muffler itself is the long version for the big twin. So this being a 74 cubic inch big twin, it has the bigger muffler. They put that tip on there because it flows directly out the back. The original conventional one for a big twin would actually blow the exhaust down into the ground, kicking up sand. So they went with that special order muffler. Also, you'll notice back here is there's two plates welded to the rear stand. Those are for sand. Of course, basically behind here there would be nothing more than a metal rod that would sink right into the sand. So, and you'll also see it has an oil bath air cleaner right in here, made by Hood. Also, what's unique about this particular motorcycle is that it has some marks from the UDF, the Union Defense Forces, Army itself. So a couple of things to note is you can barely see it in here, but there's a U with an arrow pointing down. Let's see if I can get it right there. That's the King's mark, and then there's also one right in here too with the arrow pointing up, so thus proving that this actually was in their inventory as part of the Union Defense Forces, as part of the South African Army.